Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from OPPO device to OPPO Find X3 Pro. Begin by opening Play Store on both and downloading free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, open it. Then, in order to use it, click on the same options on both smartphones. Firstly, I agree, then confirm, continue, and allow. Now on the second one, I agree, confirm, continue, allow. In this window about new updates, you can select Not Now if you want to. To close it, hit OK. Then select Close in white pop-up at the top and tap on Send at the bottom left corner of OPPO smartphone. Then Receive right next to Send at the bottom of OPPO Find. Also on OPPO Find, decide what you wish to do with your apps by selecting one of those options. Tap on Close this window. And finally, go back to OPPO smartphone. Now, thanks to all of those categories available at the top, you can select multiple files to send, and then hit Send next to Selected at the bottom to continue. Then click on Got it in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way is better for you. In order to connect by scanning this QR code, tap on the scanning icon next to Input key on OPPO Find. Then allow camera access in the pop-up and point your device's camera at the code. If you prefer to input this key, tap on Input key section, type in all of those numbers in correct order, and then select Receive. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!